Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn my new Longchamp Mini Pouch into a crossbody shoulder bag using this insert that I bought from Amazon. So I actually bought this one while I was in Paris. This one I think retails for 110 USD here in the States, and in Paris or in France this one retails for 85 euros. So that comes out to about like $100. So I saved about $10. I feel like I could have saved more if I had combined it with a different purchase and spent over 100 euros to get a bot refund, but yeah, I still saved some money, and I wanted to buy this one in Paris to have a special souvenir. I was hoping to hot stamp this one with like the Eiffel Tower, but they said that it's too small, so unfortunately they couldn't do that for me. But this is what it looks like inside. So there's one zipper, and inside it's just one main compartment, and I love it because this one is actually pretty small, but it can actually fit a lot. So this is what I bought on Amazon. My friend recommended it to me, and it looks like it comes with a strap that's adjustable, removable, and this one is a little insert that I didn't know that it came with, but this is a nice surprise. Let me go ahead and open this one up, but as you can see, this leather, it matches the Longchamp one perfectly. So that is so nice. I love that. So let's go ahead and remove this protective covering. How pretty, and yes, it has that gold hardware that also matches the Longchamps. It also comes with these that I think I'm supposed to attach to here so that it doesn't move. Let's try that. I have a feeling that these things go right here, or like maybe inside of here. Like this maybe? Okay, so I think this goes inside of here, and I think I swing this one around to attach to this. Ah! I think that's right. It's a good and a bad thing that it's a tight fit, because now I know it's very secure. There we go. There, and I think, yeah, that looks about right. So let's try it on this side too. I will stick this one here, and then this will go around. Ah, it came out. Try it again. So inside of here, swing this around, and there we go. That was a lot easier than the other side. Perfect. And now we have little D-rings that we can attach this strap to. So let's go ahead and put this one inside as well. Let's see if this is a good fit too. Nice. And it looks so good inside. Let me zip this up really quick. Close this. We can attach this one here. There's also plastic on the little hooks here. Let's take this off really quick. Alright, so let's attach that here and here, and voila, now we have a mini bag. Let me go ahead and try it on for you guys. Okay, hi, so here we have the little mini Longchamp bag, and right now I have this little strap on the middle length. Here's what it looks like over the shoulder. And then here is what it looks like as a little crossbody bag. And I actually really like this length because it's not too long, it's not too short. I think I'm gonna keep it on this length, but yeah, I love this. And here it's so easy to access everything that's inside of my bag. I think I'll go ahead and do a what fits inside this little Longchamp mini pouch in a different video. So if you have any questions as far as like what fits inside, definitely let me know. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.